When you partner with PixelFLEX, you're not guessing how a project will unfold. You're stepping into a proven process designed around clarity, quality, and support from day one. We start by helping you and your client clearly visualize the final result. Our team creates elevation drawings and custom shop drawings tailored to the project environment. You'll see exactly how the display fits and comes to life. Once the vision is locked in, we provide a clean, detailed quote to you, the integrator. And from there, you can choose any additional support options you need, such as engineering support, commissioning, service agreements, or remote monitoring. We also know that every project is different. So while we have a strong standard warranty, we're always willing to tailor warranty terms to meet the needs of the project. And when the project gets the green light, that's where our process really shines. Once the panels are manufactured, we bring every unit into our Nashville facility for thorough in-house testing. Our triple QC process includes component inspections, third-party acceptance testing, and a full pre-build when necessary, checking wiring, power, and even content playback before anything ever ships. After QC, we ship the product to site, and if you need us, our technicians are ready to assist with installation, commissioning, and on-site support to ensure everything performs exactly as intended. That's the PixelFLEX process. Clear communication, quality at every step, and a team that's with you from concept to completion. It's how we make LEDs simple and successful.